Hi guys, today we are gonna talk about green computing. What does it mean for you when you first hear the term of green computing? Green computing is the environmentally responsible and eco-friendly use of computers and their resources. In broader terms, it's also defined as the study of designing, manufacturing, engineering, using, and also disposing of computing devices in a way that reduces their environmental impact. Why do we really need to go green? The need of green computing in our life. Computer energy is often wasteful, like leaving the computer on when not in use. Also, printing is often wasteful, like printing in vain. And also it causes pollution and toxicity due to manufacturing, packaging, disposal techniques, and toxic chemicals involved in the manufacturing process. I've just told you that manufacturing of PCs is dangerous and can cause pollution and toxicity because of the toxic chemicals that is involved in this process, such as lead, cadmium, and mercury. Lead, for example, can cause damage to the nervous system, blood systems, and kidneys. Mercury can cause chronic brain damage, and cadmium is such a toxic element. These compounds accumulate in the human body, particularly the kidneys. And here on the other side, on the green side of green manufacturing, that is using materials and methods which are eco-friendly and almost have no negative impact on the environment. And the green methods here, such as bamboo, which becomes more popular for making casings for PCs. Another method is recyclable plastics and eco-friendly flame retardant and inventory management by reducing the quantity of hazardous materials and the excess raw materials. Also volume reduction. And here we have some samples of green products that shown in the pictures below. Here's the question: how much energy does your PC use? CPU uses 120 watts, CRT uses 150 watts, 8 hours of usage, 5 days a week equal 562 watts. Energy uses comes from what? Comes from electrical current to run the CPU, motherboard, memory running the fan spinning the disk, and the monitor.
There are several methods that we can use to reduce energy consumption, such as turn off the computer when not in use even if just for an hour, turn off the monitor when not in use power saver mode, use hardware or software with the Energy Star label, don't print unless necessary and you are ready, use LCD instead of CRT as they are more power efficient. ومن أحد مظاهر حركة الجرين كومبيوتنج كان إطلاق الإنرجي ستار بروجرام in 1992. Energy Star served as a kind of voluntary label awarded to computing products that succeeded in minimizing use of energy while maximizing efficiency. Energy Star applied to products like computer monitors, television sets, and also temperature control devices like refrigerators, air conditioners, and similar items.
And here we are gonna talk about how to save the planet during our computer usage. There are two modes to reduce energy: sleep mode and hibernate mode. Let's start by sleep mode. Cutting off power is also effective, so our computer switches to a low power mode. Let's move to the hibernate mode. This mode reduces wear and tear on our components by saving energy and copying the data to a hard drive, then switch off the computer. However, there are different ways to get rid of the components. For example, in Europe there were almost 50 million tons of e-waste per year. That's why they outlawed landfills. Moreover, electronics products contains toxic chemicals and release heavy metals. Usually computer components contain gold, silver, and platinum. Donating to others, upgrading, and recycling are among the solutions to save our planet.
And now it's time to raise our slogan and say it again: save the earth.